This is the Audi of the future. Look, you have uninterrupted screen the whole way across for autonomous mode, where you can watch movies or whatever you'd like. Now, where's the steering wheel? Watch this. I'm going to put it in sports mode. Gear lever comes up. Steering wheel out. And your own screen pops out towards you. Now you're in self-driving mode. But even cooler than that, watch what happens on the outside. All right, door close. Door close. All right, watch this. And now you have all the room in the world to just relax and be driven around. You've got touch panels for each passenger running along the side, which I love. Also, reclaimed bamboo wood here. All the materials are sustainable and it feels like real leather. That is very cool. Now, check out the backlights. This is really cool. More rubies. All right, I'm gonna drive it now. This is called the Skysphere. Open to the sky, freedom, freedom of movement. Audi of the future, what do you reckon?